Hello dear students, I am starting exercise 2.3. Okay, chapter 2 polynomials. See, your first question is divide the polynomial px by polynomial gx and find quotient and remainder in each case. So in first question there are three parts, so I have taken first part. Okay, this px is given x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and gx is given x square minus 2. Clear? So firstly we have to divide by long division method, then we have to find quotient and remainder. So we will do divide same like 9th class I taught you. Again I am telling, always for dividing see first term of the dividend and the first term of divisor. So x cube divided by x square. So whatever will come answer x, we will write upper side like this. Okay, first term divided by first term, x cube we will divide by x square, x. Now whatever is coming your quotient x, this x we will multiply by both. Separately you can multiply x multiply by x square minus 2 is equals to x cube minus 2x square. X we will multiply by x square, x cube, then x again we will multiply by minus 2, x into minus 2 minus 2x. So it is coming x cube minus 2x. So this x cube minus 2x we have to write downside. X cube downside x cube term, like terms we have to arrange like this, x cube. But this minus 2x we will write downside of 5x, not x square. So minus 2x we will write here, minus 2x. So these two space we will leave as it is empty. Now we have to change the sign. It is positive x cube, so it will be minus and minus will become plus. Then we will draw one line. Okay, x cube and minus x cube will cancel, always first term will cancel. Now this minus 3x square, downside no any term, so it will come as it is downside minus 3x square. It is plus 5 and it is plus 2. Okay, 5x plus 2x, now it is not minus. Okay, don't see this minus, its sign changed into positive. So 5x plus 2x will come positive 7x. Then minus 3 will come as it is downside. So step 1 completed. Again I am telling, first term divided by first term, x cube and x square, what will come x. Then this x we will multiply by both like this. Okay, then this product we will write downside, we will arrange, we will change sign, then we will solve. Your first step completed. Now we have to repeat the same procedure again and again. Okay, see this minus 3x square, now your first term we will divide by x square. Only see first term and first term. Minus 3x square and x square we will divide, then what will remain? Minus 3. So this minus 3 we will write upper side. Clear? Now this minus 3 we will multiply by both like this. Minus 3 we will multiply by x square minus 2, divisor. Okay, divisor is x square minus 2. We will not multiply full x minus 3 by x square minus 2, we will multiply only minus 3. Clear? So this minus 3 will multiply this, what will come? Minus 3x square minus minus plus 3 2 ja 6. This is coming. So this answer we will write downside, we will arrange here. So minus 3x square we will write downside of minus 3x square, and plus 6, it is constant term, so we will write downside of constant, positive 6. Okay, now change sign, don't forget to change sign. Positive will come negative, draw the line. Negative and positive will cancel out, 7x will come downside as it is. Minus 3 and minus 6, it will become minus 9. Now your first term is 7x and it is x square, so divide is not possible because the degree of remainder is less, because its degree is 1, means x power is 1 here, and here x power is 2, so your remainder should come smaller. Okay, so we will close the divide here because degree of remainder is smaller than degree of divisor. So your quotient is quotient and remainder. He is asking quotient and remainder. So quotient means this upper side answer. After dividing, your answer is called quotient. So its symbol is qx. Qx is equals to x minus 3 and remainder is rx. Rx is 7x minus 9. So it is your solution of first part. Okay. Second part also I have written for you. In this, check first. Degree is in decreasing order, means x power 4, then x squared, then x, then constant term. But in gx, x square after that x term should come. Okay, so we have to rearrange first this. We can't do divide directly. So this as it is I have written inside, no change. But in gx, see this carefully. X square after that I have taken minus x, then I have taken positive 1. So we have to rearrange first. Always check this first, like this px and gx is given in the proper order or not. Okay, now we can do divide. Start dividing, same like we have done in first part. Again you can see once. Now I will tell some first. X power 4 divided by x square. X square we will multiply by all three. So x square into x square, it will come x power 4. X square multiply by minus x cube. X cube term is not there, so we will write in last. Okay, now x square banja x square. So x square term is available here, so we will write x square and it is positive 1. So it will come positive x square. So we will write here positive x square. Okay, if any term is not there, then we will write separately after. So like terms we have to arrange. X power 4 downside x power 4, x square downside x square, but x cube term is not there, so I have written separately. So now we will change sign, minus plus. How this sign came? Positive will become negative, positive will become negative, negative will become positive. All sign I have changed. First term and first term will cancel. Now both are negative. So minus 3x square and minus x square will become minus 4x square, and this 4x we will write as it is plus 5. Now this positive x cube we can't write in last because x cube is the largest degree. Okay, so we will write in the first positive x cube like this. It is not negative x cube, it is positive, so it is positive x cube we have written in first. So you can see it is in proper order, x cube, x square, x and 5. After you can arrange. Now again we will repeat step 2, same like we have done. First term divided by first term, x cube divided by x square, what will come? Positive x. Now this single x we will multiply by all three. X into x square, x cube, x multiply by minus x square, x multiply by 1, positive x. Change sign, minus plus minus. We have drawn the line. First term will cancel, positive and negative will cancel. Now here it is minus 4 and it is plus 1, because if no any number there we will assume 1. So minus 4 plus 1, minus 3. So it is minus 3x square. Minus 4x minus x. 4x minus x will come positive 3x and plus 5. Okay, now this first term divided by first term, again we can do divide. You can see it is x square term and it is also x square, so divide is possible. X we can't divide by x square, but x square and x square degree is same. Now divide will go one more step. Minus 3x square divided by x square, what will come? Minus 3. Now this minus 3 we will multiply by all. It will come minus 3x square, minus 3 multiplied by x square, minus 3x square. Now minus 3 multiplied by minus x, minus will become plus 3x, and minus 3 multiplied by plus 1, minus 3 1 ja minus 3. So change sign, positive, negative, positive. It will cancel out, it will cancel out also. 5 plus 3 it will become 8. Only 8 is coming remainder. Now you can see we can't divide 8 by x square, so it is your remainder. So how to write? Quotient qx and remainder rx. Quotient is upper side, x square plus x minus 3 and remainder is 8. So this is your answer. I have written third part also. This is also important part. In this also we have to rearrange. X power 4 minus 5x plus 6 as it is I have written, but 2 minus x square we can't write because always variable term will come first, means x square term will come first then 2. So this minus x square I have written first. See this x square is negative and this 2 is positive. Some students do like this, 2 minus x square rearranging is x square minus 2. That is wrong. Okay, 2 minus x square means not x square minus 2, because you can see all sign here changed. It was negative but here done positive. 2 was positive but here done negative. So in rearranging sign will not change, never. Only this term we have to write in first. So negative x square we will write first, then this positive 2. Okay, so see this very carefully, because if you do mistake here then your full divide will come wrong. So we can start now. X power 4 divided by negative number. Positive number divided by negative number, answer will come negative. X power 4 divided by x square is x square. Now negative x square will multiply by negative x square. So positive x power 4 and negative x square multiply by 2. So 2 into minus x square minus 2x square, but x square term is not there. So we'll write in last 2x square negative. Only plus minus we have to keep in mind in this long division. It is very important to keep in mind. After some practice you will be able to do it very accurately. So change the sign. We will draw the line. First term cancelled. Now this x square term we will write first. We will not write minus because its sign changed. So it is positive 2x square. Now minus 5x and plus 6 we will write as it is. Okay. Now again first term divided by first term. So 2x square divided by minus x square, it will come minus 2. How? You can do separately also. First term is 2x square. See this. We have to divide by minus x square like this. Minus x square. So x square to x square will cancel. 2 divided by minus 1. It will come minus 2. Okay. This downside minus will come upper side. Like this. So minus 2 we will write. Whatever is coming minus 2 answer. Minus 2 we will multiply by what? This divisor, minus x square plus 2. Process will be same always. Minus 2 multiply this minus x square, positive 2x square, and minus 2 into plus 2 minus 4. We have to multiply by both. Some students do only multiply by first only, and this plus 2 write as it is. No, this minus 2 is in outside of both, so it will multiply to both. Minus 2 into minus x square 2x square, and minus 2 plus 2 will become minus 4. This as it is we will write here 2x square and minus 4. Minus 4 we will write downside of 6. So it will come minus, it will become positive. First term cancelled. Minus 5x term as it is, and 6 plus 4 positive 10. It is your remainder. Now x term we can't divide by x square. You can see its degree is less. Okay. So your quotient came qx. Quotient is upper side, this minus x square minus 2, and remainder is rx minus 5x plus 10. So this is your answer. So we have done this first question, first part, second part, and this third part. Okay, and when you will see your second question, okay, which he is asking, it is the factor or not. Like same like px and gx is given in second question, all parts, but he is asking it is the factor or not. So same like we studied in 9th class. If your remainder will come 0 here, like here it is not the factor because after dividing remainder is coming something else, so this divide is not completed, so it is not the factor. This gx is not the factor of px. If by chance after dividing when you get remainder 0, then px is the remainder of gx. So you can write one note downside remark. If rx equals to 0, then rx means remainder is 0, then gx is the factor of px. Okay, this basic we will use in question number 2. Okay, I will leave question number 2 all parts for you, because same like we have to do long division and we have to check only remainder is coming 0 or not. If it is coming 0 remainder, then write there yes it is a factor, gx is a factor of px. If rx is not coming 0 here, then write no, it is not the factor of px. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Enjoy.